Hello, boys and girls. It's Diaz, man. And I've been being bugged. Well, not bugged. People have been asking for me to pick some locks, so I'm gonna, with my new Monstrum set. I'm sending it back because of the review I told you. I found a lot more different things, but they're sending me an envelope to return. So I'm going to be picking a Commando. These are the other than the Commando, and these two back here. This 6-pin, no, this 5-pin Ruko, which I can't touch right now, and this 6-pin, which can be 7-pin. Cabinet lock of some sort, no name. I'm gonna try and pick that. Nobody needs to see Masterlocks, but I got these two off him, and I've got a Euro, but I can't seem to find it at the moment. I can pick it too, but anyway, let's get down to business. Sorry about all that. Let's try. I'm going to be using one of the new Monstrum Picks, one of the curves, and these are all Sparrows. This is the Commando, sorry, this is the key bitting. I got it from, it's retaining, it's the military version. It has a key, like I said, it's key retaining. I don't know if you can take the shackle off or not. I think you can. You might be able to pick it backwards or something. This is the bitting. It's not very big. It's like a 1, 1, 2, 4, 0 at the end. So for a 5-pin lock, it's not. I got it, like I said, from. Okay, hold on. For these keyways, a lot of times they jam up. I find it hard to find a wrench that doesn't jam in there. So, you know, I don't. So I always like to do this. Drop a small wrench in on top. Oh shoot! Sorry, I'm supposed to be all ready. Quick. Okay, and this there's the 3 sizes, the 2 big one. So the smallest one in the middle are perfect. You have to raise this one a little bit to get over that, but it's nothing. So it is locked. Sorry, I should have used the key. Anyway, I'm gonna go right to the back with this curve. Did you guys get a view of me? Okay, let's try this. Going straight to the back with medium. There's 1, that's the 5-pin, 4-pin, 3-pin, fall heavy, fall set. I'm skipping 4. I'm going to skipping 2 and going to 1. I think and then back to 2, and there it's picked. Okay, I hope you saw that. Now, that's with that new curve pick. It's pretty cool. That's from the Monstrum set. Okay, now this is a 6-pin lock. Not so aggressive of a keyway either, but and I can open it pretty. I can open it with the half diamond, I do believe. Yeah, forget it. I'm gonna just use a hook. That wasn't the one I was. This is a paracentric keyway. If you can see that. Okay. It's a pretty shiny lock. I think it's a cabinet lock or something. Shallow bitting, like things are setting as I'm going in. It's hard to tell what. I just dropped something. It's hard to tell what I'm doing. I'm just touching the top barely of these pins. That was 5 or 6. There's one. Okay, it's in false set. I should be able to get it on the 3rd pin. Oh, see, I dropped them all. It's very, it's a pretty cool lock to play with, actually. If I had bigger hands, it'd probably be easier. Or if it was a bigger lock. Okay. I'm looking. For that. I better adjust. I just dropped a pin. Reset. It's a very hard lock to hold, especially in this stupid little angle. This is a 6-pin lock, by the way. I think I'm on 5. There's false, pretty deep false set right there. And there's the no. There we go. Very slight. As you can see, it is open. I hope all that was on camera. I really do. Thank you guys. This is all the stuff from JD, okay? Except for this Commando. That came, like I said, from Kelly Allwood site, Survival Corner. Okay. Peace, guys.